As we made our way up the mountain in Ourika Valley, we stumbled upon a beautiful little spot where local craftsmen were working with stones. The sound of carving echoed softly through the valley, and right there in front of us, a man was shaping raw stones with his own hands. It was amazing to watch how focused he was. Each strike was careful, almost artistic. You could actually see the effort and skill behind every piece he was making. He had a whole collection displayed beside him, small decorative items, carved plates, little sculptures, and unique handmade pieces that carried the real touch of Moroccan craft. It wasn't just a workspace. It felt like a tiny open-air studio on the mountainside. As we kept walking, we saw more stone-crafted items along the way. Made from local mud. There was also a small shop selling traditional clay pots, little cultural pieces. And there were beautiful handmade carpets displayed on the sides. And there were beautiful handmade carpets displayed on the sides. All neatly arranged in a beautiful line. As we kept walking, we saw more stone-crafted items along the way. And then, towards the end of the path, we reached my favorite part, the water. Creating this calming, refreshing sound. What made it even more beautiful was how the river was flowing smoothly between the rocks, and the peaceful atmosphere made the whole scene feel magical. All the way down from the top of the hill, you could actually see it traveling through narrow rocky paths, slipping over small stones and rushing down slowly towards the valley. The way it moved, fresh, cold, and crystal clear, made the whole place feel alive. It was the perfect ending to the climb. Just nature, calmness, and pure beauty all around. This whole walk, honestly, turned into such a beautiful experience. From the handmade crafts, the colorful shops, the peaceful hill walk, and finally the fresh mountain water flowing down the rocks. It was one of those moments where you just feel connected to nature and everything around you. If you enjoyed this vlog, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next adventure.